we are at Madrid at a train station, and we are going to the historical place Toledo, and the train journey is about half an hour, so we are looking forward to this journey from Madrid to Toledo.
The name of this train station in Madrid is Puerta de Atocha. As you can see, this is a very neat and clean train station, and it is very passenger friendly as well. This high-speed train takes just about 30 minutes to cover the distance of about 60 kilometers between Madrid and Toledo. You can travel from Madrid to Toledo by bus and car as well, but in my opinion, traveling by this fast Renfe train is not only the best option but also the most comfortable one.
You are kindly requested to turn down the volume of your mobile phone, which should only be used between coaches. We remind you that smoking is forbidden throughout the train.
It is a wonderful feeling to return to a place which I visited many years ago when I lived in Spain between 2005 and 6 to study Spanish at the University of Valladolid. Happy to be back in Spain after 16 long years, and this time with family, my wife and 2 daughters who are visiting Spain for the first time. The rich history and culture of Toledo have been influenced by Christian, Islamic and Jewish traditions. This is the reason Toledo is often referred to as the city of 3 cultures. In recognition of its rich history and culture, Toledo was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986. A beautiful glimpse of the historical richness of Spain on the way to Toledo. Toledo is situated on the banks of the Tagus River, or Rio Tajo as it is called in Spanish. Rio Tajo is the longest river on the Iberian Peninsula. We are almost there. It is one of the most comfortable journeys between 2 historical cities.
Próxima estación, Toledo. Final de viaje. Por favor, permanezcan en sus asientos hasta que el tren se pare por completo y no olviden sus objetos personales.
Welcome to Toledo, the city of 3 cultures.
Toledo is one of the places in Spain which is very rich in history, and which has a large number of historical monuments. So we have just arrived in Toledo and we are going to explore the city now
And bring you glimpses of this wonderful place.